Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to study simple circuit. To make the simple circuit, we need one bulb holder. We can use one cell or two cells. If we use one cell, it will give you less voltage. If we use two cells, it will give us more voltage. Now, if you see the bulb carefully, it has a filament. It is made up of tungsten, and it has two terminals. One is this round case, and another one is here is one more terminal. Here is bulb holder. If you see carefully, this bulb holder, it has a two terminal, and when we fit this bulb in this bulb holder, we will get two terminals to connect the wires. Here I already prepared bulb and holder, and wires are connected here. Now this is ready to prepare the simple circuit. This is the cell. It has a positive terminal, it has a negative terminal, and we will connect this cell across this bulb circuit. This red color indicate that it is positive terminal, black color indicate that negative terminal. But bulb doesn't have polarity, only cells has the polarity. We can connect any terminal of the bulb to positive terminal of the cell, and remaining terminal to the remaining terminal of the cell. See, you can how nicely bulb glowing here. Now it is glowing less. To give more voltage, to give more brightness, we should have to connect more voltage. Therefore, we will connect two cells in series. To make the battery, we need two cells, and we will connect the negative terminal of the first cell to positive terminal of the second cell. It will form the battery. It will give you more voltage. First cell will give you 1.5 volt, and when we connect two cells in series, voltage will get added and it will give you 3 volt. It becomes a battery. Now I will connect one terminal of the bulb to positive terminal of the cell and another terminal to negative terminal. Now you can see how nicely this bulb is glowing here with more brightness as compared to previous one. This is the way to make the simple circuit. And if you want to connect switch in this circuit, we will use this safety pin, and this safety pin will act as a switch. See, to make it as a simple circuit, just connect this terminal of the wire to this safety pin. We can use this wire. Here I have connected here. Now I have connected two cells here, one terminal of the wire circuit here, another terminal of the circuit here. Come here, hold these two cells, hold like this, connect one terminal here, hold like this, hold like this, yes. Here this safety pin will act as a switch. If I connect it here, bulb will glow. You can see how nicely bulbs are glowing here. This safety pin acts as a switch. If I remove this safety pin, it will off. If I connect this safety pin, it will on. This safety pin acts as a switch. It performs the role of switch. Thank you.